Want to know how to track and manage construction milestones with CoConstruct? If you're working on a construction project, this tool can make your life a lot easier by keeping everything organized and on schedule. Stick with me through this video, and I'll show you how to use CoConstruct to stay on top of your milestones, so you don't miss a beat and keep your project running smoothly. Before we get started, you can access CoConstruct for free through the first link in the description below, where we've secured some exclusive bonuses just for you. Now, let's dive into how CoConstruct helps with tracking and managing construction milestones. First thing to note is CoConstruct's project dashboard. It's your command center for everything. When you log in, you can easily see your project's key milestones at a glance. Whether you're at the planning stage or deep into the build, the dashboard will let you track important tasks, deadlines, and who's responsible for what. It's simple and intuitive, which makes managing milestones much less stressful. Next thing, CoConstruct has an integrated schedule feature that works perfectly for construction milestones. You can create a detailed project timeline, breaking down the key tasks and their deadlines. This allows you to visualize your entire project from start to finish, and the best part is, it's customizable to match the specifics of your job. Whether you're working on a small renovation or a large build, CoConstruct makes scheduling easy. The third thing CoConstruct excels at is task tracking. As you move through your milestones, you can check off completed tasks and update progress in real time. The software also sends you reminders so you never miss a deadline. With everything updated automatically, you'll know exactly where you stand on your project at any given time. The fourth thing, communication. CoConstruct ensures that everyone on your team is on the same page. You can send and receive messages, upload documents, and share notes about milestones or tasks. This feature helps you keep communication streamlined so there's no confusion about deadlines or the scope of work. It ensures that all your team members are aligned and ready to meet their targets. Next, CoConstruct lets you track your budget alongside your milestones. By monitoring both, you can ensure you're staying on track financially as well as with your timeline. You can easily spot any budget overruns or delays in tasks, allowing you to make adjustments on the fly. Finally, let's talk about reports. CoConstruct generates real-time reports on your project's progress. This means that at any point, you can quickly pull up detailed reports showing the current status of your milestones, tasks completed, and anything pending. These reports can be customized for different stakeholders, ensuring everyone from the client to the team knows exactly where the project stands. And don't forget, you can start using CoConstruct for free today by clicking the link in the description, where you'll also get exclusive bonuses to help you get started. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to track and manage construction milestones with CoConstruct. From the dashboard to task tracking and real-time reports, this software is built to make your construction project more organized and efficient. Make sure you don't miss out on the extended free trial we've secured for you, and take advantage of these powerful features for free while they last.